Now in this video I will tell you about the plane of vibration and plane of polarization. These are very important definitions from the point of view of the so many boards. Moreover, they can be represented diagrammatically. So you just see that what is the plane of vibrations. Now I have told you that there are two things in the polarization of light. One is the direction of vibration of the electric vector, and second the direction of propagation of the wave. So if the plane that contains the direction of vibration of the electric vector and the direction of propagation of the wave, then this is called the plane of vibration. Plane of polarization, that contains only and only the direction of propagation of the wave. This does not contain the direction of vibration of the electric vector. So now I define both of them. The plane which contains both the direction of vibration of the electric vector and direction of propagation of the wave is called plane of vibration. Plane of vibration. As the name suggests, so it should have the direction of vibration, and since the wave is the wave propagation associated with this electric vector, so both must be there in this plane. The plane which contains only the direction of propagation of the wave is called the plane of polarization. And this should be remembered that these are associated only with the polarized light. So now I can show you this with the help of diagram, and the angle between these two planes is always 90 degrees. So these planes are mutually perpendicular because vibration are perpendicular to the wave propagation. So the plane of vibration contains this direction of vibration and direction of the wave propagation. This is the calcite crystal or Iceland spar crystal. This is the light source which has the symmetry of vibrations. Like this. This is the unpolarized light. When this passes through this one, then the light wave is transmitted to it. That I will show you. This is a calcite crystal. This is the vibrations. These are like this. This is now wave that propagated, and now one more plane that is there, which we have. It will pass through all of the crystal. That I show you here. So this is like this. This is, I think, is not to be so much big. Like this. So this is the plane of vibration. And this I have shown you like this. That I think I must show you by. Let you show it. This is much more like this. Now this plane that I have shown you here, this is the plane of polarization. Plane of polarization. So these planes are like this, as I can show you like this one. Wave is propagating in this direction. So, and the vibrations are in this way. So my this hand is showing the plane of vibration. Plane of vibration. It considers the direction of direction of the vibration, and also the wave is propagating like this one. and this plane, this is now horizontal. Then this plane is showing only the direction of the wave propagation. There is no vibration in this plane, no vibration in this plane. So this plane is the plane of polarization, this is plane of vibration. So they are mutually perpendicular. Angle between plane of vibration and plane of polarization is equal to 90 degree or 5/2 radian. 5/2 radian. So they are mutually perpendicular. It means they are mutually perpendicular. Mutually perpendicular. So this is what. If suppose diagram is given there, and you are shown the direction of wave, this is no wave. This is no wave. Then you can just see that vibrations are shown like this one. Then this plane will be plane of vibration. This is a plane of polarization. So by means of this one, we can identify the plane of vibration and plane of polarization. So both these planes are mutually perpendicular. It means the angle between them is 90 degree or pi/2 radian. So thank you very much. You all like, share and subscribe this video.